If files on your machine change, Veritas gives you trustworthy local history of what changed, when it changed, and whether the file content still matches its recorded provenance. Veritas watches the file system folder you choose, in this case Veritas dir, records both metadata and content history, and stores each change in a cryptographic chain. Veritas now works with my Veritas dir folder, and I am creating a file here demo.md. Let's refresh the page and we can see demo.md here. And now let's look at its metadata, and we have only one change here when the file was created. And this hash is a hash of its content and its metadata. And this is the email address that I have set as the author. So it shows me here that this is the identity that created the file. And now we can write something in this file, save it, and if we refresh this page, we can see the change was registered with a new hash of content and metadata. Again, and we have another change. So we have the entire history of changes, and we can also look at the diffs between changes and so on. Now we can also notarize this content by sending the root hash to our Kayros indexers, and this way we will be able to prove all our local changes at any point in time. And because Veritas works on any file system, you can also edit files with something like LibreOffice. And if you use our authorly extension, which was already installed here, it will automatically save your document frequent as you need, so you have a solid proof of authorship for what you are writing. So now let's open demo.md and write something here. And now we see the metadata was changed several times by the extension, because authorly also converts your markdown files into doc format and the other way around. So you can open markdown files in LibreOffice.